I've been at Enterprise Connect for 4 years now, and I got to tell you, this is probably one of the best that I've seen. So this is our first year at Enterprise Connect is Ribbon Communications. Ribbon Communications is a combination of Sonos Networks and GenBand. We announced a merger between these two large players in real-time communications in May of last year. We achieved the implementation by the end of October, and we rebranded as Ribbon Communications. So we're here to talk about our complete suite of real-time communication solutions, including unified communications and security. So we're showcasing our full portfolio of real-time communications products and services. Includes our unified communication services, Candy Business Solutions, as well as our Candy CPaaS, which is really a differentiator to other unified communications providers here. So not only are we providing a basic PBX replacement kind of services, we're actually providing embedded communications into workflows as part of the offering from our CPaaS. We're also providing a new service that we're bringing to market called Ribbon Protect, which is really filling in the gaps from a security perspective for all the SIP flows, exposing all the vulnerabilities that's inherent in unified communications, putting together a comprehensive portfolio to be able to address those needs. We're really looking at a number of target audiences here at Enterprise Connect. Number one, we sell through our carrier channel partners, so we're having an awful lot of good meetings with our carrier channels. We're also talking to some of our other third-party ISV channels. They're all here. Everybody's here at Enterprise Connect. The other thing we have in our booth is some very specific vertical market solutions for financial services and healthcare. So we're actually talking to some of those enterprises in those particular vertical markets about our offerings. Ribbon participates in a number of trade shows around the world. We're most recently at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, which is really focused on mobile operators. Enterprise Connect is a perfect complement to that show where we're talking to carriers from around the world. Here we're really talking to enterprises and end users, the people who are actually using the embedded technologies that we're developing. So it's very valuable for us. So I tell you, on behalf of Ribbon Communications, we find this event incredibly valuable. Would highly recommend it to anybody in the communication space who wants to do kind of a test to find out really what the end users in communications are looking for and what they're seeing in terms of innovation. I tell you, it's been very, very busy for us here. I've actually attended a couple of podcasts, and tomorrow I'm going to be speaking on one of the general session panel discussions, talking about the whole move away from hardware to software-centric kind of communications and why that's the way of the future. I say the one word that really describes Enterprise Connect to me is impactful.